G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight we're at Richardson's Harley Davidson and Tasmania Motorcycles at the Blokes Bike Night and Boot Camp. So we're having a few beers and we're talking all things motorbike. Come along, check it out. Blokes Bike Night and Boot Camp is a free event designed for anyone interested in motorcycles, whether you ride or not. You can learn everything from headlights to exhaust pipes, including the new 2023 models for the brands available in store. You can also learn a little bit about the motorcycle lifestyle. As you can see from this video, there's plenty to choose from. There was food and drinks available, and the Iron Horse Bar and Grill if you wanted something more substantial. We all got to meet local bike racing personalities Mitch Hawksley and Scott Campbell. We also got to meet Malcolm Campbell, who in the late 80s dominated the Tasmanian motorcycle scene. He was 2 times Australian Superbike champion. He won the prestigious Castrol 6 Hour. Also, he won International Series Championship in 1983, along with other national and state championship titles. We were then divided up into groups and we rotated around the shops to seminars for both Richardson's Harley Davidson and the House of Motorcycles. We got to check out the available merchandise, we then visited parts and service department, got to check out some of the very cool projects that were out in the workshop. There was also an opportunity to check out airbrushing and have a go at it yourself, which I did. Let's see how I do. I then popped out to the House of Motorcycles workshop and checked out a local exhaust manufacturer, Bert Tasmania, and their wares. The new bike sales in the House of Motorcycles. And then back into the showroom to check out the Harley Davidsons. They then put the shop bike, the R1 racing bike, on the dyno, and the Stig gives us a demo on the dyno reaching speeds of 300 kilometres an hour. promo girls then drew the lucky door prizes and the raffle for the night. And we settled in for a few more drinks. May have had a beer. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Cheers, guys.